Namaskar students, I hope you are well at your side. Today we will continue our chapter number 5 of geography, natural vegetation and wildlife. In this chapter today we will discussing about the types of vegetation. Types of vegetation found in India. Types of vegetation found in India. There are 5 types of vegetation found in India. First is the tropical evergreen. Tropical or semi-tropical evergreen forest. Tropical deciduous forest. Tropical deciduous forest. Tropical thorn forest. Mountain forest. And mangrove forest or tidal forest. These are the types of forest found in India. In these types of forest, the 3 types of forest are the tropical forest. Tropical forests, so we already discussed about it that tropical means the lower part of the India. It means the southern part of India is situated in the tropical zone. The Tropic of Cancer line है, it divides India almost 2 equal part, and the upper part or the northern part is in the climate of semi-tropical, and the subtropical area and the lower part or the southern India and the south of the Tropic of Cancer line is situated in the tropical zone. तो ये जो एरिया है ये ट्रॉपिकल जोन में है और ऊपर वाला सब ट्रॉपिकल जोन में है. तो नीचे जो फाउंड होते हैं, फॉरेस्ट फाउंड है, वो सब ट्रॉपिकल के अंदर हैं. अब ट्रॉपिकल में कौन कौन से हैं? यहां पर ट्रॉपिकल एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट दे आर फाउंड इन द वेस्टर्न घाट एंड इन द 7 नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न स्टेट्स. तो ये ट्रॉपिकल में आते हैं. देन ट्रॉपिकल डेसिडस फॉरेस्ट they are found in the middle part of the India. Tropical thorn forest in the western part of India and Tamil Nadu, Telangana and Madhya Pradesh also. So these are the classified on the basis of trees are found in the particular area. The following major types of vegetation may be included in our country. Tropical evergreen forest. These forests are restricted to heavy rainfall. These are found in the heavy rainfall area, the area which are the having more than 200 centimeter of a rainfall with a short dry season. ये उन एरियाज में पाए जाते हैं जहां पर रेनफॉल जो है वो मोर देन 200 सेंटीमीटर पर एनम है. एंड रेनफॉल मोर देन 200 सेंटीमीटर पर एनम एंड शॉर्ट ड्राई सीजन. ड्राई सीजन बहुत कम है. इट मीन्स रेनफॉल हाई रेनफॉल एरिया जो हैं वहीं पर ये फाउंड होती हैं. दीज फॉरेस्ट आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड दी मॉनसून फॉरेस्ट. इनको ट्रॉपिकल मॉनसून फॉरेस्ट भी हम कहते हैं। दीज आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द ट्रॉपिकल मॉनसून फॉरेस्ट। एंड द ट्रीज रीच ग्रेट हाइट अप टू 60 मीटर और इवन अबोव, कि इनके जो पेड़ हैं, ये ट्रीज हैं, दे रीच द हाइट ऑफ 60 मीटर एंड अबोव। Since the region is warm and wet throughout the year, it has a luxuriant vegetation. The area of the tropical evergreen forest have the high rainfall and high temperature throughout of the year. साल भर टेम्परेचर भी ज़्यादा है और रेनफॉल भी ज़्यादा, और इसीलिए इनकी हाइट भी ज़्यादा निकलती है। एंड they have the all kinds like the trees, shrubs and creepers giving in a multi-yarded structure। और इन्हीं कारण से जो थ्रू आउट ऑफ द ईयर रेनफॉल होते हैं, हाई टेम्परेचर रहता है, these forests have the trees, shrubs, creepers, herbs etc. There is no definite time to trees to shed their leaves। इनका कोई लीव को शेड करने का कोई टाइम फिक्स नहीं है। इट मीन्स दे आर नॉट शेड देयर लीव्स थ्रू आउट ऑफ द ईयर, दे आर ग्रीन थ्रू आउट ऑफ द ईयर। कभी सूखते नहीं हैं, हरे भरे रहते हैं साल भर, और इसीलिए इन्हें एवर ग्रीन फॉरेस्ट कहते हैं। एंड दे आर डिपेंडेंट ओनली रेनफॉल, सो दीज आर कॉल्ड द मॉनसून फॉरेस्ट ऑल्सो। As such, these forests appear green all the year round. Some of the commercially important trees of these forests are ebony। अब इनमें कौन कौन से trees found होते हैं? Ebony, mahogany, the ebony, mahogany, rosewood, rubber and cinchona। The common animals found in these forests are elephants, monkey, lemur and deer। The one-horned rhinoceros are found in the jungles of Assam and West Bengal. Besides these animals, plenty of birds, bats, sloth, scorpions and snails are also found in these jungles. So these are the example of the trees and the animals or birds which are found in these type of forest. The second type of forest vegetation which are found in India are tropical deciduous forest. These forests are divided into two categories, dry deciduous and moist deciduous. And these forests are found in the area which have the rainfall 70 centimeter per annum to 200 centimeter per annum. And in the wet deciduous area या moist deciduous area, deciduous forest are found in those areas which have the rainfall 100 to 200, and the dry deciduous forests are found in the areas which have the rainfall 70 to 100 centimeter per annum। तो रेनफॉल के अकॉर्डिंग, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ रेनफॉल के अकॉर्डिंग इनको दो को डिवाइड किया गया है। And these are the most widespread forests of India. They are also called the monsoon forest and spread over the region receiving rainfall between 200 centimeter and 70 centimeter. Trees of this forest type shed their leaves of about 6 to 8 weeks in dry summer season। तो ये फॉरेस्ट जो हैं, ये ड्राई सीजन में, समर सीजन में अपने सैड लीव जो हैं उनको 6 टू 8 वीक तक के गिरा देते हैं, ताकि इनका जो वाटर है इसमें कमी ना हो और इनका वाटर एब्जॉर्ब ज़्यादा ना हो, इवापोरेशन ना हो। On the basis of the availability of water, these forests are further divided into moist and dry deciduous forests. These forests exist therefore mostly in the eastern part of the country, northeastern states along the foothills of the Himalayas, Jharkhand, West Odisha, Chhattisgarh and on the eastern slope of the Western Ghats. Teak is the most dominant species of these forests and Bamboo, sal, sesame, sandalwood, khair, kusum, arjun, mulberry are other commercially important species. ये important species of these forests हैं. The dry deciduous forests are found in the areas having rainfall 100 to 70 centimeter, and these are found in the peninsula plateau and the plains of Bihar and UP. There are open stretches in which teak, sal, peepal, neem grow. A large part of this region has been cleared for cultivation and some parts are used for grazing. In these forests, the common animal found are lion, tiger, pig, deer and elephant. A huge variety of birds, lizards, snakes and turtles are also found here.